In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Expedia points to book a flight. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can redeem your Expedia points for flights inside of the Expedia website at www.expedia.com or through the Expedia mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, all you have to do is look for flights as you wish. So go ahead and include where you are leaving from and where you are going to. Make the search as usual, and when you find a flight that satisfies you, you will be able to proceed to checkout where you can apply your points for a discount. So as you can see, I'm just going through the usual process of looking for flights inside of Expedia. I'm just going to select this one for demonstration purposes, and eventually you are going to reach the flight details and the option to go to checkout. As soon as you click checkout, you will be redirected to a page where you have to include the contact information and the payment method at the bottom. Sadly, I can't demonstrate this because I don't have points available. However, next to the payment method, you are going to have the option to use however many points you wish. When you click that option, you will have to input the amount of points that you want to use in order for your flight to be discounted, and then proceed with the payment of the flight. As long as you include valid and legitimate information and you have the available points, you will be able to get a discount on your next booking. I hope I was able to help you on how to book a flight on Expedia using your points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.